Another top Paul Weiss lawyer departs firm after Trump deal. By Ella Lee, Paul Weiss, the first law firm to strike a deal with President Trump to avoid a punitive executive order, is losing a prominent attorney to a firm that, when targeted by the White House, fought back in court. Damian Williams, former U.S. attorney for the Southern District of New York, is set to leave Paul, Weiss, Rifkind, Wharton, and Garrison after half a year there for a role at Jenner and Block. His departure is the latest in a series of high-profile resignations from the firm in the aftermath of its agreement with the Trump administration. In a Friday statement, Williams praised Jenner and Block for fearlessly advocating for its clients and how it lives its values. I'm excited to join a team with an extraordinary depth of legal talent that doesn't shy away from hard fights and delivers results that matter, he said. Since returning to the White House, Trump has targeted 6 big law firms with executive orders aimed at undercutting their business as retribution for their ties to his political adversaries. While 4 of the firms filed legal action challenging the directives, Trump revoked his executive order against Paul Weiss after it agreed to provide $40 million in free legal services to support administration initiatives and other perks. The deal set off an avalanche of agreements between the Trump administration and the nation's top law firms. Now, 8 other firms have entered agreements with Trump to provide tens of millions of dollars in pro bono work, despite there being no executive orders issued against them. Jenner and Block, meanwhile, sued the administration. A federal judge last month deemed the order against the firm unlawful and blocked it in full. This order, like the others, seeks to chill legal representation the administration doesn't like, thereby insulating the executive branch from the judicial check fundamental to the separation of powers, U.S. District Judge John Bates, an appointee of former President George W. Bush, wrote in a 52-page opinion. It thus violates the Constitution, and the court will enjoin its operation in full. Last month, 4 top lawyers at Paul Weiss also departed from their roles as partners at the law firm to form their own practice.
And rightfully so, ladies and gentlemen. I applaud this lawyer for doing the right thing and going for a law firm that rightfully, legally, constitutionally, and lawfully and legally took the Trump administration to court against this unlawful, illegal executive order. Hence, that ruling, ladies and gentlemen, was a rightful, legal, constitutional win for democracy and the rule of law, as well as the Constitution of the United States. That is going to do it for this legal breaking reporting and video analysis update, ladies and gentlemen. If you did enjoy this video reporting and breaking analysis update, please, firstly, like, comment, share, subscribe, and enjoy. Secondly, if you guys would also like to make sure that you're also up to date with all the things legal breaking reporting wise on the side of politics, please, secondly, hit the bell icon as well as the all notifications option. The bell icon is located directly beneath the screen here on the right hand side of the subscribe button. Thirdly, if you guys would also like to make sure you're always up to date on the all the things legal breaking reporting wise on the side of politics, please follow me on my social medias. That'll be linked down below in the video description. I'm on Instagram, Snapchat, Threads, as well as TikTok. Fourthly, ladies and gentlemen, please help me reach and achieve the goal of 170 plus subscribers. Ladies and gentlemen, the reason why I'm saying 170 plus subscribers is because right after we reach and achieve the goal of 170 subscribers, we have more subscribers to reach and achieve. right after we reach and achieve the goal of 170 subscribers. Fifthly, ladies and gentlemen, please stay safe and please stay positive. Even though, unfortunately, I know it's hard for majority of you at times to stay positive during these unfortunate illegal-induced darkness times caused by the illegal, unconstitutional Trump administration, Trump regime. It's even hard for me, unfortunately, at times during these unfortunate illegal-induced darkness times caused by the illegal, unconstitutional Trump administration, Trump regime. Lastly, ladies and gentlemen, and always look for the points of light. In today's unfortunate, illegal-induced darkness caused by the illegal, unconstitutional Trump administration, Trump regime. And I will talk to you guys in my next legal breaking reporting.